Do you want to know how you can verify your Unibet account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can verify your Unibet account. Go ahead and open Unibet and log into your account. The next step is to click on your profile, which is over here, and click on account. Then it will take you to this page. Go ahead and click on account details, which is over here. And go ahead and click on verify account. Then the next step is to enter your identity proof. Go ahead and click on proof of ID. Now you can add your driving license, your national identity card, or your password, and then you can verify your account. And the next step is to upload all additional documents, and the third step is to wait for your review. After all of these steps are complete, your account will be verified. So guys, this is how you verify your Unibet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.